welcome to our weekly VODCAST. I hope that you guys are having an absolutely extraordinary weekend, resting up, relaxing, and just having a great time with your families. It's so great to have each of you join us today. So, a couple of quick announcements, and then I'm going to get you guys off to the strategy session. First of all, just a quick reminder, tomorrow, Monday, May 22nd, is our Math SOL. Scholars, make sure you get a good night's rest, eat a breakfast full of protein, and come with your incredible Barrett effective effort and your amazing Room 21 Rockstar attitude. You guys are going to be absolutely incredible. I'm so proud of the amazing effective effort that you guys have put forth so far with reading. So, Math SOL is tomorrow. In addition, those of you who advance to round 2 of the Great Barrett Shake, that event is happening after school on Tuesday until 6 p.m. So you're just going to stay in our classroom, and then we'll head down to the activity room where round 2 and 3 will take place. We'll give you a quick snack, and then pick up by your parents in the Kate Waller Barrett Elementary School lobby will take place at 6 p.m. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. Don't forget that. In addition, this coming Friday and next Monday are 2 days that we do not have school because of Memorial Day, and Friday is a day off. Keep that in mind. It used to be an early out day, but because of the lack of snow, they gave us that day off. In the Friday folder last week, scholars and Rockstar families, you guys came home with an invitation to our class's Barrett Academy graduation. It is happening on Friday, June 9th, 2017, 6:30 p.m. at North Stafford High School. This is an event that you do not want to miss. You want to invite every single person you know, any family member you know. It's free to the public. It is an absolutely incredible tradition for our classroom. Our class's Barrett Academy graduation is happening on Friday, June 9th. I really don't want you guys to miss it. It is going to be incredible. And before I get you guys off to the strategy session, I just wanted to congratulate this week's Rockstar of the Week, Mr. Malachi Bridgeforth. Malachi has been putting forth amazing effective effort, using the strategies that he learns in class, and just having an incredible Barrett Academy attitude and implementation of the 5 core values. So incredibly proud of Malachi. Congrats, buddy. You are this week's Rock Star of the Week. So, scholars, when I take you over to the strategy session, today you're going to find some of the answers and also the practice pages that I provided you on Friday at the end of our emergency room for math, if you want to work on that at all whatsoever. In addition, I have some sites available you're going to find for the Science SOL as well. So make sure you guys check those out really quickly. Those are all available in the strategy session of this week's VODCAST. So at this time, I'm going to get you guys off to the strategy session, and I'll see you on the other. Hey, Room 21 Rockstars, thanks for coming on over to the strategy session today. I have a bunch of different strategies and activities that you can use this week to help you prepare for our upcoming math and science SOLs. I have the answer keys that I did promise you for the different math activities that I provided you as well. So I want to get right on over to that so you guys have plenty of time to look at each of those items. So first of all, if you go to the Parents tab, as always, and go to the weekly newsletter section, there are some available opportunities there, guys, for house points on the back of the newsletter. And, of course, you have the newsletter available to you at your fingertips in your Friday folder. Now, over at the VODCAST section, first of all, you can do any of these activities, once again, earn 1 house point for each of the problems as long as you show your work carefully, use all of the strategies that we have learned in class. But I have went ahead and scanned, so I sent this home with you on Friday, this packet that has all of these different questions, okay? Now, you have the entire paper copy of this, and then the answer key begins. This is considered the post-test, so you need to look at the post-test, and your answers start here. It is not the pre-test, so look at this really quickly. It's not this section here. So you need to start comparing your answers at the post-test, and that will kind of be a self-check for you as to how am I doing with each of these. I love this review, guys, because it really hits at all of the different skills that were on your checklist that we worked on all week. Okay, so this is a really great way and really great practice for you if you want to go ahead and review a couple of the skills before our Math SOL tomorrow. I truly believe you guys are going to rock and roll the Math SOL, but just in case, these activities are provided here if you want to add to your confidence coming into the test tomorrow. In addition, I have put up the entire the small half-folded booklet that you guys also took home on Friday. These are all of the questions that are available in that booklet. As I told you guys, this is the most recently released Math SOL that was provided. So these are all available here for you. I would just point out a couple of things for you guys. As you know, we talked about the numbers are at the bottom of each page right there. In addition, the answers for this section, if you come the whole way to the end, as I flip through here, don't mean to make you sick or anything, but just want, okay, so starting on page number 57, and you're going to have to probably zoom in on this. There is a feature right here on the screen for you, but you'll see the test question number 1. Is it multiple choice or TEI? And then the correct answer that is available there. You can just ignore this stuff over here. That doesn't really help you guys at all. But that at least helps to show you, and I really love these ones. Here's what they accept for a typed in answer. Okay, so when you get to that question, they'll actually show you what they accept for that particular answer and all of the different choices that you would be able to type into that blank that would be still marked correct. So those are also available there, guys. So those are the 2 math reviews that I sent home with you guys on Friday. Now, one other place that I would take you, and I would highly encourage you to do this, would be going to Google Classroom. And I may actually have to sign in here. Let me see here. Sorry, guys. And upon signing in, there is an assignment that I posted last week, somewhere where we went for a little practice actually last week in class. Obviously, the Google Form's there, but I would more so spend time on assignment number 71, which is called Math SOL TEI Practice. And let me take you there real quick, guys. Once again, you can get house points for this. But I love these because these are all the different types of TEI questions that you may encounter coming up on your Math SOL. Okay, so these are all available there at your fingertips. Go ahead and give them a choice. Maybe you want to practice using the protractor. Well, that's available there. You can type it in. The other thing that I love is when you go ahead and submit, they'll tell you if you're correct or incorrect as well. They also provide tools up here that are somewhat similar to the tools that you'll see on your SOL. So that's another place for you guys to practice if you really want to. Obviously, you'll get house points for all of these different items, 20 points for each activity. So 20 points for this booklet, 20 points for this activity, and then I'll give you 20 points if you spend at least 20 minutes on this site here as well, Scholar. So those are all available there at your fingertips. In addition, I kept up the problem of the week from last week because I think you guys are going to be focused on SOL review. But in addition, the puzzle of the week is really cool. It's not quite a crossword puzzle, but I really like it though. It provides clues, and then it has you fill in those clues in a different manner in the top in that flower. Now, after our Math SOL starting on Tuesday, we're going to switch our attention over to science review, and with that comes some places where you can actually practice science as well. If you go to Jefferson Lab, which I showed you guys last week, they actually have the science review. You just choose Science 5, how many questions you want, and then enter your name. And once again, the thing I love about this is it has you answer the questions. You can read an explanation if you don't get it correct, and then you can also review your results. So this is just a really cool way to also review for science, which is coming up next Thursday, June 1st, happening here in class, our Science SOL. So that's available for you guys as well. So if I get you back over onto the VODCAST section, guys, that's really the review for the week. There's a lot of it. I would focus on math up until our Math SOL, and then transition over to the science review after we take our Math SOL in class, or in the Mac Lab tomorrow. Just remember, guys, get a lot of sleep. You are ready for this test, so I do not want you to stress or anything like that over it. You're ready to rock and roll as long as you bring your effective effort. So don't spend monotonous amounts of time reviewing for math, because I know you guys have this down. The secret hashtag for the week is hashtag Chalk the Walk. Hashtag Chalk the Walk. You'll see what that means coming up for our Science SOL review later in the week, and that is worth 5 house points. Don't forget, guys, every single house point counts, as we are getting very close to the end of the house point race. So at this time, I'm going to send you guys back over to Mr. Reichard in person. Hey, Room 21 Rockstar families, I hope that those strategies were successful. Remember, scholars, tomorrow is our Math SOL Monday, May 22nd. It is going to be amazing with your incredible effective effort and Barrett attitude. In addition, guys, don't forget, Barrett Academy graduation is coming up on Friday, June 9th. It is going to be an incredible evening. I cannot wait to celebrate all of your accomplishments with your family and friends that night, 6:30 p.m., Friday, June 9th at North Stafford High School. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, do not hesitate to contact me. You guys are the incredibly best families in Stafford County, and I will see you guys next week.